nice already, man.
That is it.
Really nice. That look good.
That is
I'm for one. Yeah, people. You out up on the riverside, you know?
You know? Yeah. What's your name, my friend? You want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Shay.
You have a YouTube channel?
No sir, I have an Instagram, 1x_Shay.
Yeah, me actually, man, you know, see a 3-star live. I say River Scream. You know, I think go out nice.
Yeah, man. You did.
2022, I come to
Cool, man.
Stream TV.
Yeah.
Stream TV. You know, God bless people from
River Stream TV.
Yeah.
River Stream TV.
Yeah.
You don't know how we say play, man. River Stream TV, the big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me? Hey.
Cool, man. Click the bell, you know?
You see me?
Right, for the notification.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, man. No,
Cool,
talk
man.
about
Big up,
River
man.
Stream.
Every
Right.
time. Cool, man.
Yeah, man. Right, through like
Nice.
that. River Stream.
You
You
see
know,
me?
so we have to watch it on TV and it ever clean. Right, through like night, Joe.
Okay. Alright. This guy say you don't know. We have one whole of chicken and we'll bust off half of it, as you can see the next half out there. Yeah, we have the rest here. So we have cooked some curry chicken. Yeah, from the river. Right now, as you can see, the river calm, cool, pretty and nice. Yeah, so you don't know. Yes guys, as you can see the fire catch. Yeah, right on the riverside. Yeah, we're gonna put her on the pot right here now. What kind of rice that?
Jasmine rice, man.
Eh? Jasmine rice.
Jasmine, yeah, man.
Turn around and see the front part and you pull it. Real jasmine, our great. Great jasmine rice, guys. I don't know. Now watch it.
And people watch the rice, you know? Things to drop it on the fire, you know?
That is it.
You know, we have to do the rice first and then drop on the meat.
Yes, one cold stove we have one cold stove, see that guys? So you know, so we have to cook one at a time. Yes guys, so you know, so we're going to put a little salt in the rice right you know. Yeah, and that is it. Yeah, you know, yeah, we have butter. Just run it out the butter, I can show a little oil in it. Oh, forgot to say, I the fast we're going to use. They take out the fat then? Eh?
That's how we do it.
Go back. Alright guys, yeah. You know say I come around and say look a while. I just see when I walk yesterday and I can see me good. I come around and say look a while and you know, I forgot my camera and really did have to run go back to my camera guys. To the view. You know? Yeah, as I'm telling you say we're there from river. Yeah, and the river name is Reach Falls and we never get to go to the falls part, but we get to come on a little secret part. You understand? Yeah, and which part we are cook? Right there, so me did it for a while until me say me I make a walk come look round and so. And me never have my camera, so me say me I run go for my camera, so take a look for a walk going around here guys. Very beautiful and nice, is it? Yeah, check out the view. Check out the view guys. Watch it, watch it. If you watch it, I step in up here, you know. See guys, now go right up this and show you now the river stay. Look at that guys. Guys, around here is just so peaceful, nice, and just so relaxing guys. Nature guys, look at that. Yeah, and we have the pot them and cook down there so and you know, we come with Neely's Adventures TV and our next girl. Yeah. As you can see, I'm not going in the water yet, you know, so I sweat, so they eat there for me, but I still go in the water, alright? And when I go see me in the water, you see? But we just a show on the road here, so. Cause I never hear so where I cook, so I never get to like discover that side here yet, you see? So I'm going to show you right some more I want to go on. Let's look at this little part here guys. Look where I come from, watch it. I come from down there so. Through that little part there right there so. Yeah. And just look at the river guys, watch it. Guys, just look at that, look at that. Yeah, we're going to dip look a while. So you know when I get a dip, I try a nice little fountain part of this. You see that? Yeah, the camera kind of near. Yeah. Alright guys, now go up here so now. I think I saw the last spot we can go. Look at this there. I'm going to see him. You see him? What is that? See lizard guys? And I'm not running them, I look on the camera right now, watch it. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, see? Pretty nice nature. Enjoyable, peaceful, safe. You understand? Yeah? It's a nice little spot here again, guys. So there is the falls up there. So this is a little mini part, and up there come like, you know, you can swim up there again. Up there you can swim. Right, that's so nice. You see the water run off the rocks like that, you see? Yeah, it's just a nice view, you know? Yeah, relaxing and, you know, enjoyable, my friend. And we have the Rock of the Ages them over there, so. Rock of Ages. Yes guys, alright, so you don't know, I'm going to go back down here too and look for the pot, see how the pot are going. Yeah, you don't know, I'm going to take a swim, because the place may get hot. Yeah, alright, respect guys. Yes guys, so we make it to the local entrance right there, so we're going to go right through this, and we're going to look for the pot, you don't know, stay tuned, alright? Respect, I'm going to look at view. Understand? So bless up. River Stream TV. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Respect. Alright guys, so you don't know the rice don't know, so we're gonna show you the rice and now, so stay tuned. Look where we're going. Yeah, River Stream from the riverside, you know. Yeah, you know we're there with Nelly's Adventure. Yeah, respect. What Vietnam? Yeah, the rice ready, man. That is it. Really nice. That is it. Take out that now and put it on the meat pot. Man, the rice drop off in the water, they say, you know. You see that, guys?
Yeah, people. You out up on the riverside, you know.
You know. Yeah. What's your name, my friend? You want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Shay.
You have a YouTube channel?
No sir, I have an Instagram, 1x_Shay.
1x_Shay.
And TikTok, I don't remember, but Shay.
Shay.
Oh, my name A on TikTok.
What's your name?
A apple. A with one apple.
Yeah, and she looking nice from the river, guys. You don't know. So you don't know how we're going to do it. We're there and we're not on an aisle. Yeah, we don't have any aisle, so you know, so we have to go use the fat them and fry, yeah, and make the aisle. So we're going to take out some and fat them, yeah, and fry them and make the aisle with it. You understand me? Yeah, so you know, so that's style the way I use in a video. That good? No more fat than them. If you look fat, you can take off. If you look, not wing, you take off fat on a wing.
More fat than one.
Oh, alright then. That must be alright then. Alright, so guys, we're going to fry the fat then. So this is fat.
Everything I've done fast and quick.
Yeah, man. Cool and nice. Alright guys, so we are set up the coal pot now. Yeah, you know, so that's a review from here, so see coal soul. Yes.
Aisle, you know, because we don't bring the aisle. So I'm going to make aisle and thing. And now watch it now, eat up or nothing.
Yeah, it's too
But
hot.
you know. That is it.
You want to take the fire over there underneath it, I'm going to show them from early. Yeah, that is it. So guys, when they start frying, show them when they want to fry.
bit of curry.
Yeah, bit of curry.
Once the oil will make.
That is it. You know, so we're throwing the curry to burn. Yeah, and after we're throwing the meat. Okay, I need the water cool as fuck. Sick lad. I want to cool lad.
Them and people, so meat there, so we have to throw some water in here, you know. Then we drop in the natural season, you know. That is it. So just stay tuned. What can we do?
Nice, that's all. Two in the season.
Get to it, right? Yeah, two and a half.
Two different coming in when you
People, so we have the natural seeds here, so we have to drop them in a pot. Same speed. Let them boil down with the water, you know. So after this boil down, you know, you must eat them. That is it. And remember, subscribe, like, leave a comment, same way, and share the video to your friend, your family, your puss, your dog, your rat,
everything.
everything. That is it.
Yes, if you reach so far in the video, you should subscribe for real, or you should like the video for real. So remember to subscribe and like. Big up on yourself. Today I put in the work. You understand? Bless up on yourself. You don't know. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so you don't know. The pot done, and guess what? At night, up on the river, so the pot just done. You see that? Yeah, curry look nice. Decent curry. That is it. What it is?
Good.
One more time?
Good, just
Yeah,
right.
good, just right. Look good, smell good, and I say it tastes good, so I eat that now. I can share out. Guys, so stay tuned. So we share out the food and you don't know. Yeah, maybe you see where I eat it or maybe you don't see it at night now. You understand now where I feel head go home, so big up on yourself. Heart alone. Yes guys, so you don't know the food I share and look how I feel eat. And I care back, you know. You want to night come down, face dark. So to share out the food and I care back. Yeah, eat the food and then I will go home, head home, you see?
Butter in the rice and rice. Chili and
Right. Butter not for being just in there. That's good too.
meat, you know.
Nice one. It's a gravy kind of liquor one. chicken big and fat.
So I know.
Guys, once you tell them I kill you out there, guys, I feel be with it. That look good. Who for one day?
What do you want?
Anybody take any one of them? Right guys, so that is it. We're gonna start eating the food and I just see lights out, so yeah. I think at the end of the video that's so heart of love to everybody who watch the video and you don't know. Bless up on yourself and remember to subscribe, alright guys? So sketch you in our next video.